From Russia's oil field to the fuel station near you, the global oil game has just changed, and India could feel it fast. The US government has taken a major step against Russia. It has put strong financial restrictions called sanctions on two of Russia's biggest oil companies, Rosneft and Lukoil. And remember what we said earlier? Trump strengthening ties with Saudi Arabia and the US sanctioning Russia are not two separate events. They are two sides of the strategy pressurizing Russia and strengthening US influence over global oil. But how this will affect India or China or even the rest of the world? And what does it mean for your pocket? Let's get into the larger picture. These sanctions, they make it harder for Russian companies to sell oil internationally, use US dollars or access global banking. The goal of US is simple: to cut Russia's income from oil, the money that funds its government and military. And this matters to a country like India because Indian companies have been buying large amounts of discounted Russian oil. With these sanctions, buying Russian oil is now riskier and more complicated. Other countries like China are also rethinking about how much oil they can purchase from Russia. So Rosneft produces about 40% of all Russian oil and Lukoil adds even more. By targeting these companies, the US is trying to hit Russia where it hurts the most: its energy revenue, and to put pressure on Russia's economy and its ability to fund its war. These effects could ripple around the world. For Russia, this is very serious. Oil money is the backbone of its economy. With less income, the government may have to cut spending, raise taxes, or sell oil at very low prices to survive. But here's the twist. Even if Russia sells cheaper oil, it doesn't automatically mean India gets cheap oil. Because of the sanctions, payment becomes risky, banks may refuse to process them, shipping becomes expensive, insurers charge more, and transport costs may rise. Global oil prices can go up because supply tightens. As a result, India could end up paying more overall, even if it's buying discounted Russian oil. So markets have already reacted, oil prices jumped, and global traders are closely watching supply. So Russia may try to sell oil through different channels or currencies, but it won't be easy. Coming to India and other countries, they now have to balance energy security with the risk of sanctions. And what about the common man in India? And how this could affect us? Fuel prices may rise as Indian companies pay more for oil. That means petrol, diesel and LPG could become even more expensive. Goods and services may cost more because transport and production costs increase. Inflation pressure could grow, affecting daily expenses. Economic impact might also show up as a slightly weaker rupee or higher import bills. So, is the US using countries like India, China and others as tools in its larger strategy to pressure Russia? Energy decisions here are not just about supply or price. They are part of a bigger geopolitical chessboard. In short, the US sanctions are a big strategic move. They hit Russia's oil money and try to change the balance of power. For India, it means higher cost and a careful balancing act. And for the world, it could affect oil prices and energy security for many countries. And this brings us back to the beginning, to Trump's meeting in Saudi Arabia. Strengthening ties with Saudi Arabia while sanctioning Russia sends a clear message. The US wants greater control over global oil, and the ripple effects could be felt from Riyadh to Moscow to New Delhi. Stay tuned and subscribe to File In Media for more geopolitical strategies.